Welcome to Snoh Ava. In this video, we will demonstrate how to upload, update, crop, and remove a logo using the Logo Upload feature. To begin, click on the profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. From the list of available options, select Rolemaster. Inside the Rolemaster section, you will find the Logo Upload option. Click on the Logo Upload option. A file selection window will open, allowing you to choose an image or logo from your device. After selecting the image, you can crop the logo and adjust the aspect ratio as required to ensure proper alignment and appearance. Once satisfied with the crop and ratio, click on Crop and Save. Now, click on the Save button to apply the changes. The uploaded logo will be successfully updated and displayed in the system. If you wish to remove the uploaded logo, simply click on the Remove option. Once removed, the system will automatically restore the default logo.